how nice those cleaned up.
Hello everyone. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting up the wheel marking gauge and I'm marking the thickness of the boards on their opposing. Here I'm setting up for the half pins, using the dividers to try to find the width of the tails. This one came up too short. Make an adjustment. Too long. Another adjustment. That looks just right. We're going to leave a mark, leave a mark, leave a mark, and leave a mark. Now, for those of you familiar with the Rob Cosman method, this is going to look familiar. Basically using that tape to create a tape wall. Set the height of the pin board right there. Make sure it's plumb so I can make plumb cuts. Using the Rob Cosman Sean Shim, set it over 25 thou. And the Dovetail marking knife, I moved it to the left, so I'm cutting on the right. Finished all those. Now we're going to set it 25 thou off to the right, and then we'll start cutting on the left. Now here we're just using a chisel, starting to cut out the waste. Typically what I do is I cut about half of it away and just keep half stepping my way back till I get to my line. Here I'm just setting up the board so I can do the final center waste removal. Check if it's clear. If you can come down, touch each corner, it'll be clear. We'll put the joint together. let's test that theory. Here goes. Couple passes with the hand plane and level that right out. Okay. Well, let's see how we did. Well, not horrible. Not the greatest I've ever done. But once it's glued up, a couple passes with the hand plane, it'll look perfect. Go. That's why you don't cut a tail on a knot. Alright, going quick now. So this is after hand planing. Ooh, look how nice those cleaned up. Alright, we're going to cut the drawer bottom. Got 8 3/4, our first measurement. 7 1/4. Our next, go week 7 1/4. Typical of plywood, it says it's 1/4. Some spots it is, some spots it's too thick, some spots it's too thin. Fixing that's pretty easy. Just use a hand plane, put it up on an edge. Alright, after that, in she goes. Just have to cut a notch and put a screw right in the back. Alright, brass screw we're going to use has a 1/8 inch shake, 1/8 inch bit. Already marked the front or the rear edge, so I just need to cut the center. Countersink. Well, I've already drilled down into the rear of the drawer. Since this is plywood, it's not going to expand or contract, so I don't have to worry about that. There we go. Almost round. Nice looking dovetails on there. Nice little farm plant stand.